year 2025, month of November. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate another minimal COBOL program that has a few more unused sections that are going to be used in more complicated programs. So you can think of this as a more complete template. I'm using the Visual Studio Code editor, which is most likely what you'll be using. I sometimes use Vim. I'm probably going to make videos about Emacs. But between those three editors or three types of editors, that's what you're going to be mostly using if you're dealing with modern COBOL. Okay, so the first thing to do, uh, you can see here, I made another directory. Okay, here's the date, by the way. It has the source code file and an executable that's already been made. I can see the directory tree here and can pick the files. This one is called min2.cob. It has the identification division, which we've gone over before, the program ID, which we've gone over, the environment division. However, within the environment division, you have the input-output section, followed by file control. The input-output section will have file control. It's you usually will use the select keyword to load into your program a file that it's going to work with. Then in the uh, file section, you're going to establish what you might call structures. But you'll notice it's input-output section, file hyphen control, and then file section is two separate keywords inside the data division, 4 divisions. And then also within the data division is your working storage section. This is just sort of like your variables at the top of a main method. And then the procedure division, and then stop run. And after stop run, you're actually going to have your functions or methods called paragraphs, or yeah, paragraphs in COBOL. And so I can make yet another minimal COBOL program that can show a lot of that. Okay, so yeah, these 10 lines, you're going to see these. Remember, the sections are inside of divisions. So I can go over here and I'm just going to compile it again. Cobc make executable min2.cob. All right. And again, min2. It changed the executable name. Okay. And min2. I'm going to do that. And it outputs nothing. But as I said before, this is a more full template for a minimal program. And in the big programs, you're going to have the input output section full of something, file control full of something, and the file section and working storage section full of a lot of things. And of course, the procedure division full of most things. All right. I think that's all I wanted to go over today. I should have my GitHub repository listed in the description and the Buy Me a Coffee page. Thank you for supporting modern COBOL research and memory.